More stuff.
Oh
Look
my
at these.
god.
Could be just a stack of money is all we need.
What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with the video. We're here. Behind us, we got storage stalker, storage pirate. We got famous people here. Got a storage unit. Let's see what we get. Not the best stuff in the front. That's what happens. Hoping in the back there's a lot. There's still like a whole more than half the storage unit get to. They're 10 by 30, right?
It's 10 by huge.
Woo.
Yeah, these weird little, this weird style. I don't know. You guys comment below. I bet you Jack tries to buy it.
That'd be nice if this had glass around the rim.
Yeah,
but
but
it's modern day.
it's the style. It's MCM.
Yeah. Looks like a vintage Safeway.
A vintage Safeway.
You know what? It looks kind of Alameda-y too, though. Stretching guy. My bad, stretching guy. You know how to know.
Stretching guy.
Oh,
it was 14 karat gold in there.
Again?
Oh.
No, look, keep looking. About 3 things below that.
Ooh.
These are something.
Show me the money.
It's a silver set. It's a gold-plated set.
Stainless Japan.
NASCO. $20.
Some more lamps. This literally was just like their whole house. Nothing like fancy so far that we've noticed. There's still some stuff to make money on, of course, but nothing astronomically wild. Just like I showed, some lamps. These boxes are not lying. Dishes, room. So hopefully we find a box called like jewelry or something.
Winchester 22 LCR model 190. This will get you.
That will get you. That's a weird looking thing.
Oh, it's a Russian SK.
SKS?
Maybe. A model 98.
Ooh, wow.
I don't even know what I'm doing here.
Don't.
The scary part.
Let's not play. You go for the
I'm
trigger.
scared.
Let's not play with that, Mike. That's not a toy.
How much money you got right there, Dad?
I don't know.
You have no idea?
I hope a couple bucks.
2 weapons. Look at that. Holy crap.
Where's the
Little sniper scope to go with it.
Ooh, about freaking time. Let me see that.
Purple.
That's 10 karat.
Found it.
Hey, we're gonna almost let this box go to the flea market too. Oh yes, that is freaking gold.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
As we're getting some money back here, gas and
that,
gold.
And that. And oh.
There's way more.
This is a $100 set. Look at that. $200 freshwater pearl with some gold filled right there.
How much money do you guys think we made in these guns? Because they don't have any idea. You guys let me know in the comments, guys. And all that jewelry. We got some jewelry, some gold, some silver. You guys know where to see that at. What's that?
Oh, found more gas.
What is it?
I don't know.
Found more gas.
I want to say it's a camera tripod.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he found gas.
Yeah, I don't know. I hope I was seeing if it was, but it's
But
not.
you know what I like? That you didn't try to touch it, and because you don't know that.
Well, I was gonna touch it. I just wanted you to do it because it's your stuff. That
Well,
the safe.
Once again,
there
bottom
anything
of
in
the
it?
box is called.
I mean, honestly, Dad, I don't hear anything though.
Throw it. Let me see.
Is it open?
Throw it.
Stop being scared. Come on, guys.
I don't think so.
No,
No.
that's not open.
Could be just a stack of money is all we need. Failure.
Been told that plenty of times.
You got 3 strikes, you're out, Alex. You got 2 more. Oh, there we go. He succeeded, guys. Look at that.
Empty safe.
Try and try again.
Empty safe.
It has invisible money in there, guys. We just found an invisible 50 grand, so.
What the? Judge us.
Yay!
Take a light.
Big light.
Oh, look at yak pop,
please be
baby.
gold. That looks costume.
No, it's gold.
This is 10 karat.
Oh, baby, that's just like this one. Look at this stuff. Oh my gosh.
I want this one.
Oh my gosh, that is
mine, Dad.
beautiful. Look
No,
at that.
whatever this is worth,
Oh
I'm giving
my
this.
gosh, these are beautiful.
Oh, look, it matches the earrings.
See? Thought you was done, right?
Why did I say it was
you try to put
the
this on me?
drawer? We
sure.
found the
That is
wrong.
That is
Oh my
beautiful,
god.
Mike.
Yeah.
That is
It
nice.
says
Wait
love.
till we find that jewelry. man.
It's
We
too
found the
low.
wrong drawer. This is the right drawer right here.
There's another one.
There's one.
Actually, wait, this
More
No.
stuff.
Oh
Look
my
at these.
gosh.
Oh,
yes.
baby.
I think our unit's paid for, Alex.
Yak pop. Oh, look at that. That's a solid diamond.
Change.
Oh, a safe. That box smells good.
It smells good.
Back in the day, you was running with this.
And you
Take 2 steps and all you heard was. And then when you big like me, everything jiggles. So that thing just stayed skipping. Oh.
Tender.
Ooh. What is it?
Sorry, yeah.
What is it?
Don't you ever use the word Guitar Hero?
Guitar Hero? Come on, bro. Mike, you need to teach about some real guitars. Guitar Hero. Oh, the neck looks good.
Oh.
Got a color. This looks like a beginner. This is a beginner guitar.
That is a nice
But it's
guitar.
still very nice.
What do you mean?
Still pretty nice.
The Squire Strap.
Yeah. I was born.
All right, guys, we've been moving a little bit. Like I showed, we found some guitars, found some jewelry, and we found a bunch of random stuff. So it's getting better. It's getting better, guys.
Did you show them all the jewelry?
This has been a lot of work, guys. Every single box is just so heavy. Literally, just. Oh my god, I can't even imagine. These things are all so heavy. They're all like full to the brim of just like, well, I don't even know what they're full of. They're just heavy stuff. We're getting to the end though. Just a bunch of furniture now.
These are good.
Oh, ooh, two. Our odds are better. Was that a picture? Oh no, that's something.
Something. That, ooh, it's actually. Oh, come on, baby, please.
Ooh.
That's a candle. Let's see what's down here. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Come on, Mike, make it happen. Plate.
That's all right. That's a good
Thanksgiving
turkey bowl.
plate.
Turkey Day's coming up. I can't wait.
There you go.
Nobody makes enough turkeys around here.
I make turkeys when it's not even turkey day.
Look at
That's
that.
a crab.
What the heck?
Oh, that's nice.
dope.
Probably for a dip.
It says Philippines.
Come on.
All the way,
Sterling.
keep going, keep going. Ooh.
Now the question is
Oh, is it community or is it Sterling?
Rogers.
Roger.
Rogers sectional.
Here, so.
You can hear it.
Oh. Oh.
No.
Go play it.
No.
Go play
I tried, guys. I really tried.
All right, guys, as you can tell behind me, we're done pretty much. Just got everything that we can. We loaded up Alex's in our truck and trailer. We're done. That's all we. 2 times. That's how much stuff this lady had. She had everything.
She still got to load.
Literally, look at this. We're bringing this to Alameda. If you guys know, that's like our antique type flea market.
44
For this one?
for both of us.
For both of them, okay. So yeah, that definitely is money to be made. If you guys watched the last video. But we're going to the warehouse, do a little whatnot, do a little thing, some more things, and another thing after that. We're back at the warehouse, finished that whole unit, we're done. All sold off and everything. We sold that unit. It did pretty well, right, Dad?
Which one?
The last unit we did with Alex.
What saved us, because I'm about to drop the video now, is the jewelry box with the glass. That jewelry box was several, not. I got it on. I did dibs it. I bought out $1,000 in gold from Alex. Basically, what we would have scrapped it for, right? The price our guy gives us, including this, $1,000. I just got a ring. I sold a diamond bracelet and whatnot, and I kept this. We got most of our money back in that jewelry box. No lie, we did what, $3,600 on whatnot just in jewelry.
Literally,
after
guys.
expenses. Scrapped the rest. Broke even. Then we even got to split gold. We split gold and money. So yeah, I call that a win.
Speaking of gold, guys, I don't know if this is all like gold and stuff. Look what we're having next show. Look at that. Straight heat, guys. Straight heat. It sold stuff at the flea market too on top of that. Probably made a cool 600 plus just in cash at the flea market. And speaking of whatnot though, we're just talking about that. I'm gonna do my own whatnot. And we're doing stuff like this. Look, I have it in the box N64. Super minty in there. I'm gonna start it for $1. I'm gonna be doing dollar starts. Just look up my name on whatnot. I maybe look in the description. I should have a link for you guys to click there, hopefully. But yeah, that's the end of the video. If you guys watched this far, you watched the whole video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.